Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO K10x, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, mark add account and choose Google. Meanwhile, check if your device is connected to Wi-Fi, to LTE, whatever, and now provide email address or phone number connected with your account. Now mark next, and let's provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, mark next. Now mark if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo, select next, go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy, read it carefully and mark I agree. If you don't agree, you will not be able to go further in the process, so you will not add your Google account here. And you can either turn on or off backup, tap on accept, and that's it, your account is added and you can smoothly use it. Whenever you wish to remove your Google account, just enroll it and mark more icon. Here you will notice remove account, just mark it and confirm. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.